And then...
What is it, on YouTube?
No. Sometimes when you just like look for some other cool stuff, then that other cool stuff that I watch all the time, it just pops up.
Alright, so the writing goes on the top. There's writing on the ring?
Yeah. You want to hold one?
Yeah.
Let's do the bottom one first. Find the pin. And you see, gently stretch it up.
Without touching the piston, right?
Without touching the piston. No. This ain't an easy job. So, you can gently lift that out of this hole.
Is there a hole in there?
No, there's not a hole, but there's a little lip in there. I mean, the groove. There it goes. Come on. There, that one's in. Now you got to find the hole. See the pin? Now we got to smooth that out. It's nothing, but it's just. And we got to do one more. You could do the top one. The top one's easy because you only do it onto that. You want to do it?
Yeah, but let's clean that boogered up. You kind of boogered it up there a little bit.
You can't even feel it with your fingers. But if anything,
Little Scotch-Brite.
no, I have some finer paper that won't leave. Yeah, Scotch-Brite, and then we'll spray it off. That's like brand new. This is 1000 grip. Feel it.
Yeah.
This will not even move material. It's perfect. Don't pull. You got the numbers up.
Yeah. All right. So start at the.
Hook it in. Yeah. Like hook it on that little clip, and then spin it around. There you go. No, the other way.
Not like that?
Well, spin it that way, hook it in, lift this side up just enough to clear.
How come it's not
all the way
catching?
down, all the way down. There you go.
Okay.
Now, gently. If you're muscling it, you're gonna bend the ring, and then your job's ruined. No, don't pull it like that. Up, and then you walk it, but make sure that's under. And you walk it around like that, but this is the only part you got to worry about. Now once it gets in, you just got to walk this part. Damn, easy as that. The hard part is finding both pins at the same time when you're putting them in.
Got the new bearing in there.
It would almost
got
be
the
easier.
new key in.
This is going to go forward. It would almost be easier to put one clip in, but I want to make sure the bearing's going to slip through both directions. No problem. Yeah, so let's put one pin in.
One clip?
Yeah. Now if you press them in, they flex closed.
Is there any particular spot where you start?
Not really.
Or are you just trying to get it in there?
Trying to get it in there. See the line in there? It snaps into that line, but you don't want to scratch. Try not to scratch the sides. This way, I go in. And these things can pop at any time. Give me my tool. See, it went in. Now I push the pin. See? See how it's in?
Yep.
And the opening is nowhere near
the other opening.
I can spin it anywhere now. As long
The
as
opening can't be near the
no,
inlet.
you want to get it away from there. To get it out, you slide it over so you can grab it right there. But that's in. So that now it looks like I should have did the other side, because now we're going to have to get the other one in from that side. I should have did it from this side, but oops. Wasn't thinking that far ahead. But you get it?
Yeah.
You got the concept? So go ahead. The bearings all lubed up. These are both clean. Piston forward.
Where's the pin? You got the pin?
I got the pin.
You're gonna put the pin in?
And just line it up. Look lined up.
Oh, I can't see.
Look in the hole until you get it lined up.
Here we go.
Now you just got one more pin to do. You want me to do it or you want to go for it?
I think it would have been easier for me to do the first one. It's harder to do this one.
Yeah, but I did that first one so good. I don't think it could have been done much better. There's no scratches on the outside. That means, and it's clicked in. That means it was a good job. You see how it's done. This is the hard part though. We don't want it falling into the bottom of the engine, and we don't want it blasting off somewhere.
Let me do it.
Go ahead. If you bend this thing, job's over. You want to change the bike around?
Let me see first.
You saw how I did it, right?
Yeah, you just kind of pinched it together. Let me have that tool ready.
No, don't hook it on the that little hole. Keep it away from you.
No, I didn't.
What you do is put the piston, or find a good. Let me hold the piston for you. And you
kind of get one end in
like
the groove.
Like this angle. Kind of push it in and keep it level, and start pushing it in, and then keep your fingers there. And once you can get the top to go to hook, then you can use a tool and push it in. But kind of in, and then hold the bottom because it's gonna pop out. It's gonna. If you could do this without that thing springing out and falling on the floor, I'd be amazed. Cause I have troubles.
Well, you just keep your eye out for if it comes flying out. I think the bottom. If I put the bottom in first.
No, then you gotta bend it. You use both sides evenly so you don't bend the ring. You want me to go for it? No, you're gonna bend that ring. How about like this? How about straight in?
I can't see.
Like go straight in.
Yeah.
Even. Can't be a little more on that side or a little more on that side.
Yeah.
And then you start turning it and push it down until you can catch the top under the lip. So go straight in. You tried, man. You tried. You were under pressure because I was yelling at you. But no guarantee I can do it. You know what? I'm gonna go up to the. There it goes. In. See that? Were you watching? Now my opening is actually right there, so I have to spin it around. So give me that little tool and we'll spin it out of the way. Now you spin the top one without stabbing me. Or maybe take this one and lift. Yeah, if you could lift like that. Yeah, if you could go like that. See how it's lifted?
Yeah.
If you could do that, I could spin the other one with this. Gently, gently. No, not like that. Down. Wait. Hold on, back it up because you're catching the... Wait, back it up. Let me see. Let me get it to work. Yeah, just like that. Very gently. Right there. Just, I don't know why this clip is... They never catch like this. They usually spin. They're usually... I mean... Unless it got bent.
Can you rock the pin back and forth?
Wait,
Maybe
here it
loosen
is.
it up?
I got it out a little bit. There it goes. Got it. It rolled right past. There it goes. Now it's way past. Did you see that?
Yep.
So now the opening is right here. Here's the opening, and the hole is over here. So if I wanted to get under that, I can get under that and pull it right out. So give me that contact.
I'll lube the cylinder here.
Right, without getting my fingers. Alright. She's in.
Really? You have both rings in?
Yeah. Come on, come down with me. Oh, we gotta get the holes lined up.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
Watch this. A little more lube. I see dry spots on the cylinder. Just as good as it gets.
You happy with it?
Yeah. Alright, now get the base bolts on. Snug that. Line that white tooth up with that dot.
Where's the dot?
See it on top of the gear.
Oh yeah. You don't see the roll of paper towels?
At least give me those, there's a roll in the box. There's a new roll. I don't know where your old roll is.
I know, but we didn't even go through the
Give
old
me
roll.
those 4 base nuts. At least I can start putting those on. While you're goofing around.
You guys worry about a headlight. We ain't even gonna ride in the dark.
I gotta get my horn on so I can beep at you to get out of the road.
What do you think our chances are that it fires?
Slim to probably will.
Man, that thing sounds crisp. Got the new mud flap on there. Ah, look at that bad boy. Yeah. Right now I'm going to put the new, this is, I'm curious to see what this looks like in the inside because it's, my reserve never really worked. It would come out really, just kind of dribble out. And I got a feeling it's kind of disintegrated in there. So I got a new one. Yeah, so, well, that looks like it broke right off. Oh, this filter right here is just non-existent. Let's see what the new one looks like. Yeah, see that screen is totally gone, disintegrated. And the filter up here is gone as well. So this thing had no filters on it.
And he never, like...
So he's building his bike.
Yeah, he needs to build that big bike again. He never ever builds it in 100 days.
So you're saying he should build his and I should build mine?
Yeah.
But what if I don't know how to build mine?
What if he can, like, get his motorcycle book and you can read it?
That's a good idea. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get a giant blue balloon and a dome, but my dome is already coming.
What are you gonna do with the balloon?
Oh, I'm gonna buy a leaf blower and blow it up, and then if it pops, then it's okay, cause then it'll blow me away.
Well, you don't want that to happen.
But I'm.
What if it blows you way up in the sky?
Well,
Then we'll lose you.